Hi, my name is Rajeera, and I'll be demoing a website I made alongside two group members in my software design class at Carleton College. The aim of this video is to show my abilities in PSQL and HTML and CSS. So first, I want to show you guys the data I collected. We got this data set, or this data from ProQuest on their European early books collection, and a summary of their this data set is: ProQuest has embarked on a European-wide project which will trace the history of printing in Europe from its origins circa 1450s to 1700s. The early European books resources is said to encompass all European printed material from the early modern period. And you see they really care about some variables like the source library, title, author, date of publication, publisher, printer, shelf mark, and so on. And me and my group decided that we really don't need all of these variables, or the user, at least most users, wouldn't care. And what we kind of wanted to make with this data set is like a library catalog, kind of, where you can just search for a book depending on what fields you really care about. So we decided after cleaning the data that we really only care about the title, the author, date of publication, publisher, country of publication, language of text, and USTC classification. And the USTC classification is similar to, like, it's like a tag, but like a cultural tag kind of. So like if your book deals with religion, then it'll have the USTC classification of religion, or it may have funeral, or it may have like a cultural event or whatnot. But that's what USDC classification is, and we thought that the user would really care about that. So after cleaning the data set, that's what it looks like. And this is where we base our table on. So I'm going to make the terminal a little bit bigger. And see, that's what our table looks like. Early books, and that's what it looks like to the terminal. Doesn't look too great, but you kind of get the idea. And anyway, my bad. Okay, we shall continue, but after this I want to show you our API. And our API, we really just cared about how would the user search for these kind of things. So for search title, we made a function for that, and the variable is title. It was on PSQL, and we select all from early books where, lower title, like lower. Anyway, you get that point. If you want to search year interval, you have a start and an end date the user can put in. Similar to language, similar to publisher of books. This gets pretty redundant since it's just a library catalog. Nothing really too unique about it. But after this, obviously, we're going to use it in our web app. And here you can see this is how we route through different HTML. And we did implement Flask. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but we did use Flask for this project. And so, obviously our home page will be the first one we want to show our user. Our about page as well. And our about page just talked more about us and the project in general and the data set. Advanced search, where you can implement multiple filters. And I'll show what all the HTML pages look like in a second. And our only thing that's really different is our result page, and that shows us everything, but obviously we'll get into that. So our home page, every single one of our pages uses the same top navigation bar, and it has a header. And the only thing that makes our home pages from our advanced search page is that we have one search bar, but that search bar only really cares about the title, as you see here. But yeah, I don't want to go too much into this because you'll see it better more when you actually open the website up. But anyway, so our advanced search, this is the only thing that's really different is our result page. And we implement some script, and this script, it helps you find like ascending and descending order of books. So if you click on the table, like if you click on the title column, then it will order every single book and order a title from the results. And if you click it again, it'll go in descending order. But yeah, so let me open up the website real quick. So you see now it's running. This is what our website does look like. Same, just so you can verify that is the header. Also the name of the website. So yeah, that is running from there. Anyway, but yeah, so this is what it looks like. This is our about page, about us. We're computer scientists. Some print history about the data. Our advanced search, you can see the multiple filters, and this is our source page. And this is like where you can get more information if you want to do something similar yourself. But yeah, let's see if I said, for example, start your search, hello. There's nothing in the database that says hello, but if you enter maybe English, then you get a ton of results about the English. And if you want to click on book title, as I said earlier, it orders everything. This is in order for the book title, ascending order, descending order. Same here with the author. You can organize the author name in the same method, and year publication as well, but just by year instead. Same thing with publisher, nation of publication. You can do the same thing, but every single one of these books were published in England, and their language is English. And every single topic or USTC classification is also all religious. But let's say we want to get more diversity here. We can pick maybe the publication, nation publication, Germany, and we could have Latin books. Let's see what gets produced. And we get much, much more results. I would order these things and click on them, but it takes a lot of time with a large data set to reorder the result page. So I wouldn't go into that, especially since it's 438 books. But you could download this yourself and see how it works for on your end. But yeah. Lastly, I guess just to show that everything kind of does work here. Germany, I think we had Latin. I don't even know what the earliest book that was produced, but 1500s, 1600s, at least in this result page. And yeah, we get shorter range, 397, or a short amount of results for books, 397 books. But yeah, obviously the user can't access the book from this website. We don't have the rights to that, but they could search these books online. And yeah, but thank you for watching this demo. I hope you enjoyed the project and seeing how much I learned from this. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me about this website, and I'll be happy to talk more about it. Thank you.